Hello, welcome back. Last time we built out the 15 puzzle piece. We showed you how to create an instance of it with a number and also give that instance a position. This time we're gonna so we've got a good bit of 15 puzzle piece done. A little more to do. We'll come back to it. Now, 15 puzzle model. The puzzle model has the state of the puzzle. So it's got all the puzzle pieces, and the puzzle pieces know their number and position. So that's pretty good. Now here's something. We created our getters and setters. But what we're going to do, I want to show you something and think about this. We're going to create the puzzle pieces in 15 puzzle model. So this model creates the state, the initial state. Now, that means we don't actually need puzzle pieces colon. That looks like this. Note I'm on source. I can say the definition, this is the source of this method. I don't actually need this because I remember an object encapsulates its data, which it protects with the methods. This is a method, and this allows someone from the outside to talk to this object and set the pieces. I don't want that to happen. So I'm going to right-click on this and say remove. But now somebody can ask for the puzzle pieces, and I return the puzzle pieces. Okay, so what's next? Well, the initialize, let me get rid of these comments. Remember, comments are in double quotes. And return self is actually the default of what happens. So we say super initialize and puzzle pieces gets nil. Well, I don't want that to be nil. I want to set it to, let's say, 15 puzzle piece. And let's see, what do we call it? Let's say we want to say a new puzzle pieces. I'll need to spell this properly. New puzzle pieces. Now notice that's in red. It's in red because this method does not exist yet. Okay, but let me accept this. And now I'm talking to the 15 puzzle piece factory, the class side. Let me copy this. I'm going to go to the 15 puzzle piece class side. I'll go to the instance creation, and I'm going to create the new puzzle pieces. Now, I'm not going to create all 15 pieces right now. I'm going to create one piece, and then we'll get it so we can display that one piece, and then we'll come back and we'll do the rest. So this is stepwise refinement or incremental development. We get one piece working, and then we can kind of fill in the rest. So new puzzle pieces, well, I created a piece here. Let me copy this. I'm going to paste that. Now, if I accept this, I've got a temporary variable. I want it to be a temporary variable. So I'm going to declare that if I choose this right here, I don't want to create it as an instance variable. I want it as a temporary variable. And notice it declares it as a temporary variable. So now I have a piece, but this is asking for the pieces. So what I want to do is return an array. I could also create this puzzle. Let me make it the name of this. Copy, paste, new puzzle pieces gets array array with piece, period. So I'd have new puzzle pieces, and then, and I can shortcut this. We may make this shorter later. I can return new puzzle pieces. It has new puzzle pieces. I'm going to hit tab, new puzzle pieces, right click, accept. Here's another temporary variable. Okay, so new puzzle pieces, and I can actually highlight all this and inspect it. right here to execute this code, and I get an array with one 15 puzzle piece. I can drill into this, and I see this is a 15 puzzle piece with the number 7 and the position 2, 4. Okay, I can also go back to my initialize here, and now I can inspect, highlight and inspect this. I get the same thing. I get my array with all the puzzle pieces, but right now we're just giving it 1. And when I create a new 15, so let me come right here, 15 puzzle model new. Okay, so if I create a 15 puzzle model new, let's inspect this, and I get a 15 puzzle model object with puzzle pieces. Let's drill into that. It's an array with that one puzzle piece. Okay, so there we've rounded out our 15 puzzle model. When we create that, we're going to get the pieces, a 15 puzzle model with one piece. That's our test piece, and later we'll come back and fill that in. Let's do one more piece to utilize this. Okay, our 15 puzzle application has a 15 puzzle model and a 15 puzzle view. Well, that's the two things the application holds. The model, which has the state of the application, and the view, which we haven't developed out yet, which presents or displays the application. So we have no initialize here. Let me create the category for, if I just start to type in this, so I'm going to tab, say OK, we have an initialize release. I'll select that. I'm going to type in initialize, tab, and my initialize, I'm going to create start typing 15 puzzle. I'm going to go down 15 puzzle model. I'm going to assign that a 15. Now look, I start typing. This is the auto complete, arrow down, down, tab, 15 puzzle model new. Boom. Right clicked, or I could do accept or control S. I'll do the right click because it's easier for you to see what I'm doing. So now if I create the app, it will automatically run the initialize, and it will do this, which will give me a 15 puzzle model with that one piece. So let's just recap. To begin with, we created the package 15 puzzle, and we started to round these out. We first rounded out 15 puzzle piece, so it could return a row and a column, and we could create a piece with a number, create new puzzle pieces. We went to the model, so we could actually initialize a model with the new puzzle pieces, and we create an app with the 15 puzzle model. Next time we'll come in and we'll round some more out.